Are you curious about how to manage the keyboard sounds on your Samsung phone? I've got you covered. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to toggle the keyboard sounds on and off on your Samsung phone. Let's dive in. First of all, head over to your phone settings app. Next up, scroll down a bit until you find the sound and vibration section, and then tap on it. After that, you will want to select System Sound. Then, locate the Samsung keyboard option in the menu. Finally, from this screen, you can easily toggle the keyboard sounds on or off according to your preference. And there you have it. That's how you can control the keyboard sounds on your Samsung phone. If you have got any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for tuning in.